Guys, be extremely careful. It can break your arms and fingers. Get down. You guys can't even stand by it. And no more powdered sugar, stinkers.
Guys, don't
no more.
And put your hand back in there. That's disgusting.
It's pretty gross.
Yummy, yummy, yum.
Not Maya, Vivi. The dangerous thing's coming on. Go very carefully. Go ahead, Maya.
The first one.
It's mixing up all our dry ingredients so that it'll be nice and evenly mixed for when we put it into the butter, the creamy butter.
No. No.
Oh, Emmett, stand back. That is very dangerous in there. Okay, turn it up one more. Okay, and one more. And one more. And one more. And one more. Ay, ay, ay. All right, shut her down slowly. Good girl.
Pretty snow go circle.